Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, back at it, back again, finally back after some time off. We are now back and ready for some revengeance. And my amazing co-host,
Revengeance.
Revengers.
You sound like an Avenger.
Well, you know, I feel like ScarJo is trying to be an Avenger to the mouse. She's trying to fight the mouse, and we'll talk about that more later.
What's going on? Teflon John here.
Tef Lazy Foshi, how's your weekend, dude?
It was long. It was way too long. I hate weekends, by the way.
Not fun because
Yeah.
the market's closed.
Mm-hmm.
As a trader, you don't like it when the market's closed.
Yeah.
Unless you're a high frequency trader, and then you're kind of happy because crypto's still open. But crypto's not doing that hot.
Hey, no, man, crypto bounced.
It did.
It ran like 30% in like a couple of weeks.
I also like having some time off. Although I don't like the weekends because the market's closed, I am also happy that there's some time to take off. Because imagine if you have to start trading crypto and you're on 24/7. Like,
dude, that sucks.
That's hard, dude.
No,
that's hard. You're not gonna get any type of sleep. Imagine if the pop happens and you missed your buy while you're sleeping. Oh, that's hard. I can't do that. But you know, we were talking about ScarJo earlier. We're gonna talk about how we feel that it's time to short Denny.
No,
it's time to short Denny. If you guys want to know more about it, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy. Bust Down Investments sponsored this program. If you guys are looking at your portfolio and it's looking like it's gonna burn your cornholio, hit us up over at bustdowninvestments.com. I've been trying to workshop different ads for Bust Down.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Like if you don't know what a candlestick is, and then you're gonna end up going for a piss. Like it's so hard to come up with these like random things, but you know, that's just the best one I can do. Is if you don't know what's a portfolio, it might burn your cornholio. Visit our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com if you want to learn how to become a better trader, or just don't know where to start. We'll definitely get you sorted in the right direction. If you haven't yet, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up if you like this content. Because if you do not, and you give us a thumbs down, John, who are they?
Your mom's at home.
Your mom's at home. If you want us to cover any stocks, make sure you guys drop it down in the comment section down below. And let's get to it after this. Before we get into this intro, we're going to show you guys some member gains.
From Friday. Yep.
I think this was from Thursday, maybe?
Thursday or Friday? Man,
Thursday
you've been on
Friday.
vacation for so long, you don't even know what day it is.
I don't even know. I just got back yesterday, my guy. I just got back yesterday.
Vacation boys.
Vacation boys are definitely back. It's like the middle of the year, so we had to take some, right?
Yeah.
All right. Shout out to Captain Consistency himself. $155 on Zoom. Lots of cats have been going ham.
Captain
1072. Yeah. D with 202. Solid ones. Juice with 1079 on Zoom. And me and measly 660. Not too bad, honestly.
It ain't much.
But it's honest work. And you know, a couple of stocks that we want to just go over again because it is earnings season. One stock that's notable to report is Alibaba.
Yes.
John, what's your case on Alibaba? Are you bearish or are you bullish?
Oh, man, dude, as much as I'm bullish on Baba, it just sucks because the Chinese Amazon is not doing so hot.
Nope.
Because of its own government clamping on it and just putting its leash on Baba and other technologies as well. Chinese stocks right now, they're really not so hot. They're not doing so well. But the chart for Baba looks good, in all honesty.
So remember, we talked about this the other day, how we felt like Baba was going to pop. This is the trend lines that we drew.
Yeah.
Like it popped and it's gonna go sideways before ultimately dumping again. It's
Yeah.
happening.
It is. I mean,
You see that pop?
Yeah, the EMA 9 is right there. Baba is reporting earnings this Tuesday morning pre-market. What you need to watch out for is, with China, putting its hands on the cookie jar, are they going to still deliver or over deliver over 187 billion in revenue? So that's the hot take on that one. If not, then we might see some more downward pressure for Baba. If they don't beat, at least revenue for this quarter. So just do expect. I don't recommend playing earnings coming from me, right? Please don't play earnings. But if you want to bet on if it's going to go up or down, just hit me up.
Do not play this through earnings. Do not.
Please don't play earnings. It's a crapshoot. It's 50-50. And most likely
play the reaction. Play the reaction. If you're worried that you're gonna leave money on the table, you have to understand that if you do leave money on the table, that's money that you wouldn't have gained anyways if that went south on you.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean? So I would just, tomorrow might be a scenario, depending on what the market tells us, you might want to start, doing a day trade on Baba and then cut it before the market closes, because you're for sure full on gambling if you're going to hold anything through earnings, unless it was that Amazon. Whoever made money on Amazon dumping, bro. Oh my God.
I did.
Oh, you did. You've been quiet about this Amazon trade that you did. Was it post or did you hold it through earnings?
I mean,
did you savagely hold it? Did you savagely hold it through earnings? I mean, you son of a gun, John. You son of a gun.
Hey, you know what? We've been killer on when it comes to I don't want to say predicting, but it's the whole market sentiment. They're not liking tech right now. We might see some more red days. Historically, August and September. August is somewhat weak, and then September is just the worst out of the entire year. Right? Historically, September's always been the worst. So don't be surprised when this month right here that we're on. You might start seeing, a slow, sluggish, and maybe a slow dump.
Like the market's going to start dragging its feet for quite some time here. Yeah. And then September just ultimately just dumps all the way down.
It's crap. Yeah, September's crap.
September's horrible. And that's pretty much it. I think tomorrow might be a scenario where, again, day trade it. But this, I think what I drew in terms of trend lines is still somewhat true in the short term. One thing to note is these Bollinger Bands, also these EMAs, are sloping to the downside.
Yeah,
it's sloping to the downside, and we could see a scenario where the bottom Bollinger Band opens up, and that's just going to keep on flushing to the downside. So be careful with that if you're long on Baba. Also, Kathy Woods kind of got rid of a lot of Chinese stocks.
Well, yeah, because of the government. The CCP.
The CCP don't play. Next stock that we want to talk about is reporting tomorrow after hours, which is Simon Property Group, ticker symbol SPG. John is long SPG. He really believes in SPG, and I love this consolidation here.
I do think this is going to run, but I'm not going to tell you if I'm bullish or not.
Yeah, this
I pretty much gave it away.
Yeah, just give it away. This consolidation looks really nice to me from a technical standpoint, right? And this MACD is it's crossed and about to open up, and we haven't seen a MACD trend go to the green yet.
Yeah,
it's been red for quite some time.
This one right here, if you are playing earnings, again, I wouldn't recommend playing earnings, but you do have, 3 supports. It's above support right now. So you got, plenty of support, 126, you got 120, actually 2 in 126 and then 1 at 125. So just keep an eye on that one. SPG is a solid long hold for me. I have shares. It pays dividends, nice dividends, actually. I got it in around 60s, 64, 66, around that much. So I'm pretty much, I have a nice cushion on this one. I have a nice buffer. So regardless if it goes up or down, I mean, we're just collecting checks here.
You're just collecting checks. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Definitely. Definitely. And Simon Property Groups, for those who don't know, owns a lot of malls
Yep.
all around the country.
Are the malls coming back?
I don't know, dude. We were there earlier because I had to charge the whip, and the wife went into the mall. Huh?
Which one?
Ceremony.
Okay.
Yeah. The wife
Did it
went
say
in
Simon
there.
Property Group?
I think so.
Because they own the one in Concord.
They own Sun Valley too. Yeah. They also own the Livermore outlets, which is called the San Francisco Premium Outlets.
Yes. Oh, you saw their Simon Property Group, right?
Yeah.
You noticed that.
Yeah. So. Yeah. Once you start playing the stock market, you notice like logos everywhere.
Right? And companies that you've never heard of, you're like, oh crap, I have that company.
You know who's actually close to the Livermore outlets is Snowflake.
Wait.
A couple exits down.
They're in Livermore?
They have an office in Livermore. It's like a big ass thing called Snowflake on it.
Really? With the logo?
With the logo, yeah.
Wow.
You can see it from the freeway.
Yeah, short
so short that. Dude, did you ever read the Seeking Alpha
First Snow
on Palantir?
Not yet, but dude, there's so many of them on YouTube.
Dude,
$1 trillion
Alpha, the Seeking Alpha.
They spit in game.
Dude, it makes you want to buy more.
I know. What I've been focusing on, I need to focus on is Tesla this month. So
Tesla's a stock. Yeah, we're gonna talk about Tesla. I think tomorrow. We're gonna see what the reaction is. We might see the flagpole erected. So we might see the flagpole erected. We might see some sideways action before ultimately going back up. And I kind of want to see some sideways on Tesla before ultimately breaking above the 700. 700 is a key level, in my opinion, for Tesla, and that ever breaks above that, we're good to go. The last stock we want to talk about is Disney, ticker symbol DIS. John, Disney is not looking nice.
Why not though? I know it's not looking too hot really. MACD just opened up. I see. It seems like there's going to be more downward pressure if we do see 170. If we do see 170, then yeah, I'll load up on that one because there's most likely support down there, and then the next one would be at 167.
Exactly. I mean, it's broke all three resistances on Friday.
Yeah, that sucks.
It broke the wedge, right? We have Emma Stone that wants to also sue them. ScarJo is already suing them.
Why ScarJo? Come on, man.
Okay. Let's take a look at it because that's their art, bro.
I know, man.
They're not being compensated properly for their art. And again, if we're gonna take a look at why, is because Disney Plus's performance is directly tied to Bob Iger's compensation. So when that happens, there's definitely a conflict there. What you're gonna bring out on Disney Plus first, or bring out on Disney Plus simultaneously as the movie theaters, and
they messed up on that business model.
Yeah,
they
actors get paid more if they get more ticket sales, obviously, because that's what the draw is, right?
Box office, not streaming.
Box office, not streaming.
Yep.
Right. It's not like it's music that they get paid off of streaming. No, they don't. They don't get paid off of that. They get paid off of the box office.
What you're trying to say is more people going to the movies?
More people definitely go to the movies. Also, long AMC. And there's no fundamental reason why you should go long on AMC. You just want to go long on AMC.
Are you trying to say ScarJo and Emma Stone they have AMC positions?
There could be a potential way for ScarJo and Emma Stone to have AMC positions as long as their portfolios are not being managed by Citadel.
Or Pelosi's grandkids.
Or Pelosi's grandkids. Dude, Pelosi's grandkids will probably pump Regal Cinema. If it was possible.
Regal Cinema.
Pelosi's grandkids are so smart that they're going to start pumping Brendan Theaters.
Brendan, I didn't even know that was a chain.
Dude, that surprised me too because I didn't know either. And then I found out there was one in Vacaville.
I thought there was only one in Concord.
I thought so too, but there's one in Vacaville. They're everywhere. They're also all dirty. Brendan Theaters is the place to go if you wanted to get hepatitis C.
and cholera.
and E. coli and cholera all at this. You're gonna get a cocktail, like a full-on cocktail over at Brendan Theaters. But yeah, so I feel that this right here has more room to grow, to go down to the downside.
Yeah.
It's gonna ping pong around these levels. We thought it was gonna be all gravy, but it might form a triple bottom before actually moving back here. As you notice, this first bottom right here, 1, 2, and then we could probably see it right around here before we see another bounce to the upside. So this right here, this chart is now busted.
Yep.
The wedge is now busted. It's time to look, and that's it. Actually, kind of formed the descending triangle.
Yeah.
Right. If you look at it, if we redraw this because of these trend lines. Hold on a second. What's for dinner, dude?
Grilled chicken, beans, corn, and Spanish rice.
Ooh, Spanish rice? I like Spanish rice. Which is delicious. Right there, you see?
Oh, that one's alive now. Yeah.
Yeah. That's gonna go down.
Okay. I see it now.
That has more room.
There you go, guys. We break down plays for you guys.
Yeah, that has more room to the downside. You see it? How many touch points? Yeah. Yep. I'm not liking it. That's why we're gonna short it. I'm actually just to give you guys an idea. I am short already. I placed some puts on Friday for Disney. I'm gonna add to them. They do expire on Friday, so once I see a little bit of strength, I'm out.
Peace,
mouse. Peace, mouse. If there's anything else that you want to add before we move forward?
That's it. I mean, every Wednesdays we have a what's called a free workshop. Would love for you guys to join us. The link is right below us.
Yeah, if you guys want to, learn how we not process, but how we go through these trades and try to see how our thought process are. Again, not financial advice, but this is, stocks that John and I talk about. So if you guys are following us, manage your risk accordingly. If you guys win, give us a nice shout out or join us in our Discord. Or if you guys lose some money, it's not like we didn't warn you guys. Again, Bust Down Investments, bustdowninvestments.com for the Bust Down Academy. So if you guys want to learn how to trade, become a better trader, or don't know where to start, or just join a group of active retail traders that have fun on the side too. So let us know how we can be of any help to you. And follow us on all our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John's Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. And tradingdaddies.com for all your news and your merch. Right? With that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.